What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to design an Amazon KDP book cover with Canva. So let's get right to it. First of all, as you might know, Canva is a great universal website that you can use to design virtually anything from book covers to resumes, documents, logos and stuff like that. So in order to design your KDP or Amazon book cover in Canva, you first need to set its template. So you need to first go and search for Amazon KDP cover calculator, okay, to calculate the exact dimensions for your cover based on your book type, your number of pages and stuff like that. So binding type, let's say paperback. Interior type, let's say black and white. Paper type, white paper. Reading directions, left to right. And the measurement unit is inches. Now, interior trim size, which is pretty important. Let's say I'll be having my book in 7 by 10 inches. Of course, you need to select the exact same dimensions for your books. Now, it's important to set the page count correctly. Exactly how many pages, because the book cover template will be calculated depending on this. So let's say I have a book with 300 pages. Now click on calculate dimensions, and your dimensions will be calculated exactly based on the criteria or the properties that you entered here. And to make it easier, click on download template, and don't close this page for now. As you can see, the template will be downloaded. Just open it. Okay, and this one is now ready. So have the PNG ready, and now we want to head over to Canva and create a new design. Custom size, and it's important to have the exact width and height and set the unit to inches. Now for the width and height, go to the KDP calculator and you want to go for full cover, not the front or the save area. Here they give you like measurements for each individual element, so the book front cover, back cover, save area, the bleed area, the pages and stuff like that. Go to full cover, copy this value for the width, and then copy the height value, and then paste it right here and create your design. Okay, and now it should create a blank design. Now go to uploads, and then here click on upload file, and go ahead to the folder that we just downloaded. Okay, and now hit the PNG, click open, and it should upload pretty quickly. And now once it's uploaded, drag it here, and it should fit the background, and edit the size to make it fit, and it should fit perfectly in the background because it's the same dimensions. And here what I recommend is to go to the transparency and lower it, make it semi-transparent so that we can add elements on top. And now you are free to add your designs, your front book cover, your back cover, your title and stuff like that. So I'm going to, just for the sake of this video, add some random images and titles. And what I first recommend is to add like containers here. So let's go ahead to frames or containers. Let's add a frame on top, and let's make it the same size as the front cover. Okay. Expand it, and expand it to the sides as well. And now any image that you drag on top of the container will be held in this place exactly. Now let's go to here, images. Let's search for flowers, for example. Okay. And now if you drag it here in the container, as you can see, it snaps in the container. And if you double click on the container itself, you have the option here to slide the image to select the section of the image that you want. So let's say this one is good enough. And now let's add text. You can choose between some templates that are already made right here. Let's say I like this one, drag and drop it here. It's big, so let's decrease the size. Okay, and let's change it to power flower. And let's add some element in the background to make it stand out. Let's go here to elements, and let's delete flowers, and let's go to shapes, see all shapes, and let's drag this shape. Okay, Let's rotate it a bit. We can of course edit the color. Let's make it a yellowish color. And let's set it back. If I click on it, it'll click on these three dots and then send in the layer. Let's send backwards so that the text appears. And let's move it up a bit. Okay, looking good. Now we can decrease the transparency if we want to make it a bit more transparent and make the text pop here. Okay, looking good. And now let's add a back cover photo. So let's go back here to containers or frames. Let's add this frame here for the back cover. Drag it. Okay. And now let's add some icons here. Actually, let's add some flower icons. Okay, search for flowers. And the graphics here, let's add this one. Okay, to the front. And let's add this one to the back. And as you can see, it snaps right in within the container. Okay, looking good. And actually, let's add a background color. So add background. Okay, we can add, let's add this background. And let's click on the three dots in layer. Let's send backwards. Okay, seems it deleted the flower element that we added. And this looks more like it. So you can add an image or you can add the flower elements, and you can add both of them if you want to. Now let's add a text here, a vertical text here in this area, which will be between the back and the front. Now go to text and drag this one. Now let's rotate it here, and let's type in flowers, for example, and let's decrease the size, make it smaller to make it fit in the part here. We need to fit it in the white area. Okay, make it a bit smaller. Let's increase the size of the Canva or the workspace that we're working with, and now it's ready. And once you're happy with your design, you can go ahead and download it. So click on share and then download it as an image and use it for your book cover. And that's how easy it is to design an Amazon KDP book cover in Canva.